Welcome to the channel. I recently bought an old Bulgarian house, and the inner walls are made of this unburnt mud brick. So fixing stuff to the walls is a bit tricky. So I've come up with one way to do it, so that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So instead of buying some of these plastic fuckers in the hardware store, you can use a piece of wood. One piece of wood, and just trim it. Make a pointy end. And make it sort of roundish. So I used the good old drill here and put in a 12mm bit. And this plug here is about 20mm in diameter where it's thickest. So now we're ready. So we need a hammer or a mallet, and I've drilled this hole to 12mm, probably 14 because it's so loose, this stuff. So now we drive this thing inside. So this is nice and tight. So the thing we want to fix is, whoop, there you are. This, tube holder, whatever you call it in English. So we just pre-drill here. And it's ready to go in. And that's pretty much it. Nice and tight, easy, cheap. Thank me later, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.